Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Welcome to my pack with me and travel vlog. I'm so excited for a little vacation and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Stay tuned for all the vacation vlogs to come. Make sure you hit the bell and subscribe.
Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Coming to you live from the ending of my other video in the same outfit because I could care less. I'm packing. I'm just wearing whatever at this point. We're going on a trip. So come pack with me, travel with me, day one vibes. That's what this vlog is all about. If you're new here, hi, my name is Brianna. I do lots of travel vlogs. I'm kidding. I do lots of vlogs, lifestyle content, productivity, routines, fitness, literally all the things. So subscribe down below. So we are gonna get started with packing for vacation. I got this luggage right here that my sister got me. It also comes with a little pouch I can do like my makeup in. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do toiletries in there. I just made a list in the other vlog of like a packing list, so I did it by days so I know like, okay, I'm gonna need this many outfits this day, this many outfits, yada yada yada, so that I don't overpack. But this suitcase is actually really big, so it came with a little small pouch, and I showed the inside, but it comes with lots of room for things. So I need to get packing. As you can see over there, I have like there's a mess going on. I haven't even started packing at all. Those are the traveling pillows. I just like everything's a mess. I don't know if you can see my desk. I just have everything thrown out. I literally have right here all of my like toiletries. I don't even know what's the first step, like what's that's gonna be. I think I'm gonna start with the toiletries and work my way to my closet. I can bring a personal bag, so I'm gonna bring this backpack I think, and then I'm gonna bring like a little mini side purse just to have I think like my wallet and stuff in. I'm gonna watch YouTube on my computer while I do this because, you know, why not? Actually, literally everything fit in here. Okay, I'm figuring out what shoes I'm gonna bring. So I'm gonna bring these that I have just from Old Navy. I'm very easy and simple. I'm not like I'm gonna bring all high heels type of person. Sorry, no. I have these sandals, and then I have just regular flip-flops like these, and then I'm gonna bring these heels. They're different, cute, just something simple. And then I'll probably just wear my sneakers on the plane, like my New Balance sneakers. I don't think I'm gonna bring another pair of like sneakers because that's not the vibes. Thinking of also wearing this in the airport for like my passport, stuff like that. And then I have this backpack which I've already started to put stuff in, but I realized I should probably charge my laptop. So in here I have the hand wipes, I have another purse that I'm bringing, and in here I put like my GoPro and other stuff. I also have a mini first aid kit. I also put my Polaroid in here, and that is all coming with me on the plane. So I'll also put my camera in there as well. I also took this down from my closet because it has a bunch of like summer stuff as well, like summer tank tops and like basics and stuff. But now I'm at the point where I'm gonna start actually putting things into the suitcase, aka taking out all my outfits. I'm gonna like start slow with like PJs, socks. Also take out like my plain outfit, just like lay it out. I'm literally sweating in my room, so I'm gonna go to the living room, watch TV with my mom while I put everything in the suitcase. But I'm gonna give you the rundown. I have socks, underwears, bra, sticky bra. I have here some gym clothes. I have here like PJs, stuff to go to bed. I have here all my swimsuits, which literally all of them are from Zaful. I have here some swim cover-ups, beach cover-ups, like whatever you want to cover, just to cover up my bikinis. I have denim shorts here, 3 pairs, and then these white shorts, just like sweat short kind of material. Then I have here like all of my dresses, dressy clothes, clothes, dinner, tops, things like that. Very basic. If you don't wear all black to the airport, like honestly I don't know what you're doing. This is my airport outfit, just biker shorts, a black short sleeve top. I'm gonna bring a zip up sweater because I get cold very easily. So yeah, got another top here as well. Just now gotta put everything in my suitcase along with all the other toiletries, my hairbrushes, and we'll figure out any last minute stuff. So I'm gonna bring this all to the living room and put it in. Currently 1 a.m. and I have to be up in about 4 hours. I'm gonna wake up at like 5:10, 5:15, and yeah, packing was interesting. I definitely, not that I procrastinated, I was just having a rough day because I'm on my period. So yeah, but my mom ended up stepping in to help save the day with my suitcase. We were kind of taking wagers of how much we think it weighs. I don't think it's over 50, like max 40. We'll see tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. But got that done. I'm just so glad. It just is hard because I like plan everything, but I still get frazzled. Like, am I missing anything? Like, trying to be a perfectionist, get all my work done, any edits for brands before I leave, because I just want to enjoy my vacation and take content for myself and all that stuff that I love to do while I'm away. I actually have my plain outfit. I also have a sweater. You guys are gonna see in the morning, but I've just put in like my hard drive, my computer. Good night, and I will see you all in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It's so bright. Time to get up and get ready. Travel day. I got everything ready. My bag, my suitcase, and then another little bag. I also have my pillows here, my sweater.
Boarding is complete.
We made it! Oh, AC! I'm sweating. Bring the bags in. Guys, I'm sweating. I have to pee really bad. Hurry. Okay, let me pee and then I'm gonna give you guys a tour. We have made it to Jamaica. We are staying at the Montego Bay Resort and I'm so excited. We just got in a room. They actually had a room that was ready for us, so we like switched. It's like the same layout. So I'm gonna start with the door. So you walk in and this is what you see. So right in front of it you have the closet, which I just also love the brown tones of everything. It's just such a nice resort. So you slide it open and it has some hangers. I'm definitely gonna be using this in the morning. You guys know I'm probably gonna do like a morning routine. Vacation edition. Has a safe, an ironing board, an iron, extra blankets. Really freaking nice. So here's the bathroom. We have a stand-up shower, which is super nice. We have the double sinks right here. This is my airport outfit, by the way, just Aritzia all black, like I told you guys. 2 mirrors, really great lighting, really nice walls, just everything is just super nice. Obviously a toilet, nothing fun, but here's the bathroom. And then here's the room. We got a king size bed. It's so nice. And we have over here a TV. There's a full body mirror, so I'm definitely probably be taking lots of like outfit of the days here. And oh, I forgot to show you guys this. It's like a little mini bar station. We have a mini fridge, we have a coffee machine, some water. I need some water right now because I'm so thirsty. A little ice bucket. We have ice, like I think downstairs a little bit. And then there's like a mini bar. But probably not gonna use this in the room. But it's kind of cool, these things. Anyways, so moving on, we have the TV over here. We have a little shelf, don't mind all the bags and stuff. We then have this, lots of drawer space. And then we have a little couch section with a little coffee table. And then, yeah, that's literally it. This is our view. We also have a balcony, which I love. You guys know me. We have a garden view, but that's fine. It's very hot. We have 2 chairs. Look at, like, I love the palm trees. It's so nice. And it's by Villa, so we're in, like, Villa 3 or something. But, yeah, it's super nice. I'm literally so hungry, so we're gonna get ready to go down and grab lunch. It's an all-inclusive resort, so they have like everything where it says like what time is breakfast. They have different options for food, which is great. And we're about to go have, are you kidding? Forgot where I left off, but it's 1:50. We're gonna go ahead and eat some lunch and then probably come back here and change and like go to the pool or something because it's so hot. But that was my update. I need water. Okay, see you guys.